guys, Tracy here and welcome back to my channel. And today's video we are gonna create a full look using Dollar Tree makeup. I found Wet n Wild e.l.f. up in there. So I grabbed the most minimal Wet n Wild and e.l.f. because I did want it to be true Dollar Tree makeup. So I did get a brand called LA Colors. Yeah, LA Colors. I've actually never used LA Colors, so we're gonna see how that works on my face. I was able to get foundation, pressed powder, some brushes, lip gloss, lipstick, bronzer, blush. What else did I get? Liquid liner, mascara, eyeshadow, but I was not able to get a primer, a concealer, setting spray, brow pencil. All I could find was a brown eyeliner, and that's where I'm gonna go with my eyebrows. So if you guys are interested in watching if this turns out to be a mess or a hit, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I've zoomed you in to my face so you guys can see what is going on. I'll be using the Becca First Light Priming Filter since the Dollar Tree didn't have a primer. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Gonna prime the face, and why is this purple? Probably because I haven't used this. This is my first time using a Becca priming. It's all just, you know, first times here. It smells good. It smells like lemons. It's gonna be totally weird, but you know when you guys have the Lysol wipes and they're like lemony fresh? That's how this smells. Okay, now that we have the face all primed up, as you guys know, I like to put my concealer before my foundation just because this is going on. And I need to conceal it because it's not pretty, you know? And if you guys want to know, I'm using the ColourPop Filter Concealer. No filter concealer. I didn't think this through, but I don't have anything to blend this. Okay, so this is the pressed powder that I found. We're gonna use this little sponge that it came with it. Oh my god, this is horrible. This isn't even a sponge. I don't even know what this is. This is the foam that you would find in your mattress. This isn't doing anything. Like, I have to like... You guys know that ColourPop No Filter Concealer, you have to blend it quick. But this is the worst concealer job I have done. So the next thing we'll be applying on my face, it is the foundation. It is the LA Colors Liquid Makeup. It claims to provide complete coverage with a soft, luminous finish, ideal for all skin types. Let's see about that because I have oily skin. I did find a Wet n Wild stripling brush, so that is what I'm gonna use for my face. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. This is coming out a little orange. Maybe if I put it on the brush, because this is not Mr. Full Coverage or provides whatever it claims. I mean, it says complete coverage, but as you guys can see, I do have freckles. They're still peeping through. Maybe not be full coverage. Alright, next up, because I do have oily skin, I have to put powder on so it could dry the foundation. Another LA Colors product, it is the pressed powder. It is silky smooth powder, applies evenly for a natural flawless looking complexion. Long lasting wear that resists streaking and caking. Alright. Lightweight yet covers and conceals imperfections perfectly. Well, let's see about that because I'm trying to cover all of this, and this is claiming that it will cover it. That is the shade. This is enclosing. See how cheap this is? I got a Kabuki cosmetic brush. This is... What is this? If you guys could feel... Oh my god. If you guys could feel the bristles on this, you guys would be scared to apply it on your face. It's like plastic. Okay, let's see. Pinching my face. Honestly, I think I'm gonna use the same brush for bronzer and blush because I have no other brush. So the next step in my routine, how I would normally apply makeup, I would go next with my eyebrows. Since they didn't have a brow pencil or any brow spoolie or nothing, I remember that I had an e.l.f. spoolie laying around, so I'm gonna use that to brush my eyebrows. And I also got a Wet n Wild eyeliner. This is what I found, and it's the only thing that I could found that was like brown or soft brown or a taupe even, just to do my eyebrows. So we're gonna, you know, make the best of it. As we were saying, we're gonna go with this Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl eyeliner for my brows. Right, so what? Oh, this is way too dark. So I'm going with a light hand to do this. You guys see, it's pretty dark. You're gonna blend it out. You're gonna blend it out with the spoolie. So, all right, let's see. Oh my god. All right. Whatever, this is what we're doing, guys. We're doing bold brows today. They're not even sisters at this moment. Whatever. It's staying like that. Next up that we're gonna do bronzer. So the bronzer that I found was this one. It is the blush and brush applicator. It's actually a blush, but I'm not putting this as a blush. This is more like a bronzer. It says it there. Bronzer. See? It says bronzer. But they're marketing it as a blush, so this little guy, we're not using this. We're gonna, you know what, it's not a bad idea to use this because the other brush, it's like horrible. Alright, let's see. Okay. We can contour with this. Try to blend that out without leaving me a harsh streak, please. Little kabuki brush. Alright, so next up on my face, it's going to be blush. That almost fell. Peachy color. Since I don't have another brush, we're just gonna have to use this one. So that was the blush. So you guys can see them together. This is the blush and the bronzer that I used on my face. And we're gonna go once again in with this pressed powder. We're just gonna lock everything in. Now we're gonna go in with the eyes. I found this LA Color shadow by number. It has the shadows numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and it even shows you how to apply it. This is the Foxy Formulas palette, and we're also gonna use the LA Colors liquid eyeliner. Oh, and I had mentioned earlier that I found some Wet n Wild products. Hopefully this will enhance and define my lashes. Those are the shades. Watch this here to number 4, here, and I know I did them out of order, but whatever. Let's go ahead with 3. I'm gonna go in with Le 4. No, yes, Le 4. I'm gonna go in with Le number 2, and we're gonna put it all over the lid. It is a lot of fallout, just so you guys know. Chloe's was my inspiration of my eyeshadow. They're very powdery, and my eyes are extremely dry now. So now we're gonna go in with the liquid liner and see how it goes. Well, it is with this thin applicator. It's so thin. This has like no precision, and this is the longest freaking wing of life. And again, for another dip in here, because this fine point is not soaking up anything. Worst brush for eyeliner. Let's move on to mascara. So this is finished the eyes, brows, face. Moving on to lips. So I got 2 lip products. This is the e.l.f. one that I was telling you guys about. This is the lip lacquer in burgundy. And this is the LA Colors Hydrating Lipstick. Let's see, I'm gonna try out the lipstick first. Since it's a mauve color. Let's see how it goes. Alright, this is the color. Just see it there. It is a mauve. Let's go ahead and swatch it here. It applies. It's not creamy. It feels very matte. It says it's hydrating. I don't know if it's hydrating. Now we're gonna go in with e.l.f.'s lip lacquer in burgundy. Let me take it out of the packaging. Okay, the e.l.f. product. This is how it looks. This is how it swatches. I mean, it's a beautiful color, so. And e.l.f. products, y'all know, they're actually pretty good. So if you're gonna wear Dollar Tree makeup, make sure you have your brushes. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. You guys saw my misses and my hits, and overall it was an awesome experience. What do you guys think? You nailed it? You did a good job? So guys, if you guys want to see these types of videos of me testing dollar store makeup, kids makeup, you know, you name it, let me know in the comments below, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.
You better like, subscribe below.